Good day guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, do not forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, so I did say that was the last video. Let me apologize. So I have to make one more video because I forgot to do what I had promised to do. I did say that we are going to clean up the API. So we are going to clean up the code to make it look more presentable. And so let us quickly do those cleanups. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to address this API issue. Here we have let's assume that we've actually bought an API. We have an API key for a priced one. We would not want to expose this in our script because we would not want this to be taken by anybody who probably gain an uncontrolled access to our repository or something. So what we should do is we should set it up as an environment variable. So in my past videos on Cypress, I've one of it I've shown how you can create an environment variable, but I'll still go ahead and just use one of it here. So I'll use the Cypress.env.json, right? And I'll quickly create a JSON token there. So let me just call it email API key. Let's call it email API key, and the value would be this. Let's just copy everything here. The value will be, let me cut this away. The value will be this, right? So inside here we can just use the Cypress command, Cypress env, and email API key. So the value will be taken from here. Now, what this means is in your code, when you want to push your code to a repository, you have to exclude your environment.json file from it. So which means it has to be in the git ignore. Then inside your pipeline, you will create a variable for this particular thing, which will sit there. So which means Cypress will be picking it from there inside your code. So you don't need to worry about it. Now, the other thing that I want us to do here is that since the visit page would actually be done, so we don't have to have it as an if block, so we can include it here. We can include it here, then remove this. So by so doing, we've sort of taken away some lines of codes. That's a win for us. Let's take our small wins. So with this done, let's test if this would work. So I will quickly change some variables here. You understand? And just use something else, right? To make it look different. So I think with this we are good to go. So let's see what happens. Oh, because of the environment variable I created, that changed. So let's try again and see. As you can see, it is working. Everything looks good, and we're about to get to the moment of truth. The OTP path, yeah, the OTP was given. Now we are good. So this brings us to the end. So like I said in the other video, in the previous video, after this, watch out for the part 2 where we will use Cypress plugin to achieve the same results. Thank you for getting this far. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.